Hi Carla, happy birthday. Ang bilis ng panahon ano? 18 ka na ngayon. I've heard that you've been doing good in school. Really, very, very good. Good job. You grew up to be smarter, more responsible, more mature. And really, you deserve this, your 18th birthday celebration. And this is one of the best gifts that I can give you. Sana this day, your celebration will be a memorable one. Alam mo, nung nandiyan pa ako sa Baguio, when you were little, baby pa, not really baby, pero medyo nakakaintindi ka na, you always smile. Whenever I take care of you, pagka, let's say, sinusumpang ka, umiyak ka, I sang a song na you really love. Now once you hear it, you always smile and stare at me when I was singing. And I know that this song, you like this song very much, that whenever I sang the song, it really caught your attention. I don't think you still remember the song, and I'm not sure if most of you know the song. This is kind of classic, but you love this song. And the song goes like this. Pasensya na, para okay ang gagamitin ko. Ito yung paborito mo, no? May ka pa. Habang this one goes Yeah, sorry pero hindi birthday song ito, pero this is one of the songs that I really love and I remember when I was taking care of you when you were young. And I'm gonna give you another song. This is not a birthday song, pero I love this. I love this song so much na it doesn't really, this is not really a love song. Well, it is kind of, pero kayo dahil mga anak ko kayo, nagmula kayo dito sa puso ko. I hope you like this song, not the best, but it's for you. Ang sinyata. Pasensya na. At ito the best. Para sa isa. Happy birthday. Bakit ka ba
So, paano na? Sana, I wish I could be there with you. Pero nagkataon lang na busy-busy si Danny. I'm closing a financial, it's my month, and it's not the way. Kaya lang talagang na-champo na medyo alanganan eh. No? Well, anyway, katulad ng pinangako ko sa iyo, what you wish for is itong birthday mo, your debut. I promise you, rain or shine, whatever happens, tuloy ang party mo. And so, hindi ko napapahabayan. Hope you enjoy your party, have fun, you take care, and tuloy lang ang party. Okay? And kung sino man ang nag-proxy sa akin, especially the dancing part, I don't know if it's the first, hope you're good. I don't know kung sino ang nag-proxy sa akin. So, just send me pictures, anywhere, upload mo, Facebook, and video. I want to see your party. And napanood ko yan. I feel like I'm there already. And sa lahat ng guests mo, salamat sa inyo sa pagsuporta sa aking dalagita, kay Carla. Thank you very much. And nice someday. I'll be there. Uwi ako, magkikita-kita tayo. Okay? Take care. Have fun. Happy birthday again. And I love you. Okay? Bye.